Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can put in Google Maps into WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to go into your dashboard on WordPress, and you're going to go ahead and start the site editor however you want. You can go into appearance and then go into the editor from there, or you can just click edit site from the dashboard. Do literally whatever you want. Really doesn't matter. All that matters is you get to the actual editor. Now, once we're in the editor, we're going to go ahead and start editing our site. We're going to add a block, and the block that we're going to add is the embed block. So let me just find it right over here. Should be somewhere over here, or you know what, I'm just going to search it up. So embed, and I'm just going to drag it over here and place it over there, because why not? Now, what we're going to do, we're going to embed HTML into this, and for that, we're going to go first into Google Maps. And for example, let's take this location in New York as an example. So I'm just going to click on share, go to embed map, and then I'm going to copy the HTML. Then you can also copy the link, and that might also work like this, but I'm just going to copy the HTML, click on our embed link, click the three dots, and click edit as HTML, paste the code that we just copied. And as you can see, it contains unexpected or invalid content, most likely because I do not have the appropriate subscription nor the appropriate tools. If you want, you can use a plugin for Google Maps. That might work just as well. So let me attempt the recovery, and I'll try it with the link. And if that doesn't work, then you more than likely need a plugin, or you just need a valid subscription. So let me just go with that, embed it, and as you can see, this content cannot be embedded. Most likely, as I mentioned, it requires some other requirements, which I do not meet. But other than that, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.